Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Invest Zone token. Ticker symbol is IvFUN. Now this is a new token on the TRON blockchain. Now these TRON meme coins are super popular right now. This one looks like it is brought to you by an influencer with a big X following. I'm going to put his Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at Russ, R-U-S _Carulin. And he says, professional trader since 2017, writer threads, airdrop hunter, alpha, and DeFi researcher. And you can see that there's a Telegram right there at invest _ZONAA. So this appears to be a project brought to you by him. You can see the duck in the profile picture there. And yeah, big following here, 166,000 Twitter followers. So we're going to go over the Invest Zone token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their Telegram right there on the Twitter, if you go over to invest _ZONAA, you will see that they have an insane Telegram following. 2,352,314 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, probably a lot more stuff as well. But yeah, that's a pretty crazy following this person has here. And then yeah, their Twitter, 166,000 Twitter followers. So in their pinned tweet here, they talk about some updates here. It says, it's only been 3 days. IvFUN market cap has reached $17 million at the peak, and we're going to check to see what it is now. And it says over 5,300 holders. Maybe there's more now as well. Top 4 place on SUNPUMP meme platform. So that is a DEX where you could buy TRON tokens, and also you can create TRON tokens on SUNPUMP. Just like you can create Solana tokens on pump.fun. And then it says listing on Poloniex and negotiating listings on other larger central exchanges. This is the real IvFUN season. Invest Zone proves by example the great power of cohesive community. Then it has links in the pinned tweet to the DEX tools chart, the Telegram webpage, investzone.fun, and SUNPUMP, where the token is listed. So, and then they mentioned here that this token is also listed on Poloniex, which is a central exchange. So one way to get this token would be to download Poloniex from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search IvFUN, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So IvFUN is ready to conquer the new all-time high today. Join IvFUN. Our way leads to the sun. And I'm uploading a video actually around the same time as this token with the name To the Sun is the name of the token. These TRON tokens are very popular right now. So if you go to their webpage, you're also going to find the Twitter, Telegram, but you'll also find a YouTube, Instagram, a button to buy from SUNPUMP, DEX tools chart. So you can also get it on SUNSWAP. So basically, if maybe Poloniex is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use that central exchange, you'd rather use a DEX, you could get this token by funding your TRON wallet. You could use a TRON link wallet, funding your TRON wallet with TRX, and you could fund it from a central exchange. And there's a list of central exchange links down there in the description box. You could use any one of those. So you'd fund your wallet with TRX, go into the dApps and find either SUNPUMP or SUNSWAP, and then you would trade your TRX for the IvFUN token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, investzone.fun. Now it says IvFUN, the most entertaining token on the blockchain, backed by fun lovers and powered by pure joy. It's crypto with a twist. And so they do have a step-by-step how to buy on their webpage here. In case you didn't understand how I explained it, it has links to the webpage sunpump.meme or sun.io. It says, important, you must leave a minimum of 10 to 15 TRX, which is around $2, in your wallet balance to pay commission on the network. So just be aware of that as well. It says total supply is 1 billion tokens. They have over 7,000 holders, it says so far. So then they have here a roadmap. So it says, I don't know if this is kind of like a joke or what, but it says chat for whale holders and chill with exchanges over a cup of coffee. And so those are checked off already. And then it says ask BlackRock for an ETF, central exchange listings, yellow Lamborghini Urus giveaway, collab with Vitalik Buterin, fly to Mars with Elon Musk, and collab with Justin Sun. So some of those seem possible. Some of them are a little bit far-fetched, but we'll see what happens with that roadmap there. And so this token has an $11.9 million market cap right now, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. According to DEX Tools, 97.08% of their total liquidity is locked and burned, so that's great to see. They have token price of 1.19 cents per token right now. 24-hour trading volume right now is $5 million. So very popular project today. 12,209 transactions. This token pair was created on SUNSWAP 3 days, 17 hours ago. And yeah, so there is a little bit more info on DEX Tools as well. Yeah, 7,800 holders. So doing very well. DEX score is 99 out of 99, and they have a community trust score of 93.3% out of 642 votes. So go check this project out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.